All right, guys, welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about this new airdrop which only few persons are talking about. Just very few YouTubers are talking about this airdrop that I'm going to be showing with you right now. And this airdrop that I'm about to share with you right now is not that type of airdrop that you will participate on, and at the end of everything you will end up getting $10, $20. But this airdrop that I'm about to share with you right now is that type of airdrop that you participate on, and at the end of the run you are going to be left smiling, because this airdrop is very promising, and they have actually raised over $10 million in funding. And right now, pay close attention to this video. Let me explain everything to you in detail and tell you all you need to put in mind. And as well, I'll be telling you guys the new airdrop which is about to conclude, which is very different from this one that I'm about to talk about first. So I'll be talking about the second airdrop after I'm done talking about this one. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I talk about crypto and how you can resolve your crypto problem, and also I introduce you to a very promising project that will end up giving you a very huge amount of money. All right, so right now guys, this is another edition of my video, and on this video guys, first of all, we are going to be talking about Midas. All right, so right now the first question is, what is Midas? Midas is just like an investment platform. So to put it very simple on a layman understanding, I would say that Midas is just like an investment platform whereby you get rewarded, or you get some percentage interest on the amount of token that you actually log. All right, so they also have their own token right here, which I do not advise you to actually go into, because I'm not in any way a financial advisor. So I would beg you to stick to the airdrop that we're going to be talking about right here on this video. So this guys right here has actually raised over $10 million on funding. And also you can see right here, when I scroll down, you can see that this platform is just like your DeFi platform. Like you can see, you can stake right here, you can do some stuff right here in just a very simple clicks. Okay, so right now let's go straight into the business of the day. So coming over here, you can see that these guys right here were actually backed, or they are being backed by a whole lot of confirmed and trustworthy companies out there and projects out there. Like you can see, they are being backed by Block Tower Framework, a whole lot of them, GSR, and a whole lot of them. But what actually blew my mind away was when I got to this point where I see best in class partners. These guys right here are actually backed by USDT, which is the Tether. USDT that you're seeing everywhere on every trading platform is actually backing this project called Midas. And what actually blew my mind the most is that they are being backed by BlackRock. So who are the BlackRock? So BlackRock is just like a company, and this BlackRock that we are talking about right here are actually holding about $500 million on Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see how much these guys are actually trusting. For them to get trusted by all these guys right here means that they are in for the business, and they are very serious with what they are doing. So right now, coming over here to their Twitter handle, you can see right now they have their golden tick right here, and also they are being followed by close to 400,000 persons. When I click over here right now, these are the people that I'm following that are also following these Midas right. You can see over here that they are being followed by Pearl Network, Airdrop Adventure, OSIS, a whole lot of other trustworthy guys right here, guys, on this crypto space are actually following this project. This actually proves to some point that these people are really in for business, because if they are here to joke around, they wouldn't have been followed by these people right here, guys. So over here, guys, let me not bore you up with all this. Let's now go straight into the business of the day, which is the airdrop. Simply click the link on the video description to actually get started with this airdrop. I'll be leaving the link. Just check the video description of the video. You are going to be seeing two links right there. The first link is for this Midas airdrop, and the second one is for the second airdrop that I'm going to be introducing and also giving you guys some updates about right here on this video. So you can see over here, guys, this airdrop actually is not this airdrop called Midas is not like every other airdrop whereby you have to waste all your time trying to get some points. Over here you only do some few simple, just less than 10 taps per time, and you are done. Okay, so once you open your own bot and open your own account using the link on the video description of this video, you are going to be welcomed into this platform like this. And for you to earn on this platform, it is very easy. So over here, guys, what you need to do right now for you to actually earn is to simply go ahead and click on start tapping. And once you click on start tapping, you simply tap 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can see only 9 times. You tap only 9 times and you are done, and you are going to be given 16 GM. All right, over here, guys, on this year, this is not live yet, and I believe that this year is where you can actually hold some coin to actually earn reward, or to just stake some coin. You know how it is usually done, right? So right now let's go to the third one, which is friends. So over here, guys, on friends, you actually have the chance of getting a chance to tap when you invite one person, and when you invite one person, you are also entitled to get 20 GM points. So coming over here, guys, we have the task section. So over here, guys, on this task section, everything is way straightforward, and it is very, very easy as well. So what you need to do right now, simply pay close attention and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. So over here, guys, we have the new, we have the weekly, we have the on-chain, and we have the social, and we also have the friends, and we have the family. Let's now start with this one. So over here, guys, on this new, it's a very simple. Simply boost the Telegram channel and also retweet their tweet, retweet their thread. It's a very easy. I've done it, so I will click on claim. I will click on claim again. So this is going to be claim, and it's going to be added to my balance. Okay, so let's now go to weekly. Over here, guys, on weekly, simply check their Twitter and you're going to be getting 100 GM. When we go to on-chain, you can see right here, guys, I haven't done any of these. They say that you should buy MT bill or M basis. So I do not advise you to go ahead with this one, because simply I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just crypto, and nobody is really going to be responsible if any negative result occurs. You understand me? So right now, this is the first one on this on-chain, and second one is to simply connect your wallet. And so do everything you can to actually position yourself very well for this crypto airdrop that I'm actually showing with you right here on this video. So right now, this is it right here, and this is how everything are being calculated. So right now, I still have 12 taps left. This is just because I actually invited a couple of friends already. So this is how it is, and this is all you need to know about this crypto airdrop called Midas. And also, let me take you to the second crypto airdrop that I'm actually talking about, guys. And concerning the second airdrop that I was actually talking about, it is called UXUY wallet airdrop. So this is also going to be a very massive one, and this thing right here is ready to give you a very good amount of money. So this UXUY wallet airdrop is not being talked about by so many people, and right here, guys, I'm introducing it to you guys for the second time or third time if you have been following up. And right, guys, if you haven't started mining this UXUY wallet airdrop, you are missing out big time. So when Trust Wallet did their airdrop, they actually gave us a lot of money during that time, but this is another opportunity for you to key into. It is way too easy. You do not need to tap on this UXUY wallet airdrop. You simply need to come and claim at the given period, usually 3 hours. So this UXUY wallet airdrop is actually going to be ending on the 10th of January 2025. So you have a very little time. So you have just 11 days to actually farm as many points as you can from this UXUY wallet airdrop. Remember, it is very, very promising, and it's going to be giving you a very good amount of money if you actually get to earn a very good points before they actually close the farming period on the 10th of January. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, all the link to the airdrop is going to be left on the video description box, so make sure to check it out and make sure to get as many points as you can. And remember, all this that I'm saying right here, guys, on this video is just to help you actually position well for what is actually coming in the future. Thank you for watching the video, and I believe you got a value out of it. Please do well to give me a like, and also let me know what you think on the video description box. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It actually means the whole world to me. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys as soon as more of our videos are ready to be shared. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.